In today's rapidly evolving educational landscape, technology plays a pivotal role in shaping the learning experience. With the rise of virtual and hybrid classrooms, learning management systems like Schoology have become essential tools for both students and educators. Schoology is a versatile platform designed to streamline communication, manage assignments, and enhance the overall educational process. Used by schools, universities, and training institutions worldwide, Schoology stands out for its ability to centralize learning resources and promote collaboration. The platform bridges the gap between traditional classroom education and modern virtual learning environments, empowering students to take charge of their education. Whether you're managing coursework, engaging in group discussions, or tracking your academic progress, Schoology provides a user friendly interface to make these tasks simpler and more efficient. This tutorial is tailored to help beginners understand the key features of Schoology and how to use them effectively. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to navigate the platform confidently and maximize its potential for academic success. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the organized course materials. Schoology enables educators to create structured, easily accessible lesson plans, assignments, and multimedia resources. Each course has a dedicated space for materials, ensuring students can find what they need quickly. This keeps learning materials organized, reduces confusion, and allows students to focus on their coursework without unnecessary distractions. Another key feature is the assignment management. Submitting assignments is hassle free on Schoology. Teachers can upload tasks, set deadlines, and provide feedback directly within the platform. This simplifies submission and feedback processes, helping students stay on top of deadlines and improve their performance through timely insights. Another key feature is the interactive discussions. Schoology discussion boards foster communication among students and educators, encouraging knowledge sharing and collaborative learning. This promotes engagement and critical thinking, as students can share ideas, ask questions, and learn from their peers in a structured environment. Another key feature is the gradebook and progress tracking. The built in gradebook offers real time insights into grades and performance, allowing students to monitor their academic standing across all courses. This provides transparency and motivates students to identify areas of improvement and set academic goals. Another key feature is the calendar and notifications. Schoology's calendar integrates with courses schedules, assignments, and deadlines, while notifications alert students to updates and reminders. This helps students stay organized, manage their time effectively, and never miss an important event or deadline. Another key feature is the mobile app accessibility. With the Schoology mobile app, students can access their courses, materials, and grades anytime and anywhere. The app ensures that learning continues seamlessly on the go. This provides flexibility and convenience, making it easier to stay connected with coursework even outside traditional study hours. Another key feature is the integration with external tools. Schoology integrates with platforms like Google Drive, Microsoft Office, and Zoom to enhance productivity on collaboration. This streamlines workflows by allowing students to use familiar tools within the platform, improving efficiency in completing tasks and group projects. So, why is Schoology a great choice? Schoology's versatility and robust feature set make it an exceptional choice for modern learning environments. Its intuitive design allows students of all ages and skill levels to adapt quickly, while its extensive integration capabilities support diverse learning needs. Whether you're attending live virtual classes or working on independent projects, Schoology provides the tools needed to stay organized and engaged. The platform's focus on collaboration is particularly notable, encouraging students to connect with peers and instructors in meaningful ways. Moreover, its mobile accessibility ensures that learning isn't confined to a desk, it's always within reach. These qualities position Schoology as a leading LMS in the era of digital education. So basically, Schoology is more than just an LMS. It's a comprehensive solution for managing the complexities of modern education. By combining features like assignment management, grade tracking, and interactive discussions, it offers a holistic approach to learning. Students can stay organized, collaborate effectively, and monitor their progress all within a single platform. So, as education continues to evolve, platforms like Schoology will remain integral to shaping how students learn and grow. Its user friendly design, mobile accessibility, and integration with external tools make it an indispensable asset for virtual and hybrid learning. So, for students stepping into the world of digital education, mastering Schoology is not just a necessity, but an opportunity to excel. With its powerful features and adaptability, Schoology empowers students to focus on what truly matters, their learning journey. So, by embracing this platform, you're setting the foundation for academic success in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.